So, how do you simplify backup for your hybrid environment? It's a good question, right? Now, today, you probably use point solutions for infrastructure-centric backup, which only makes IT operations more complex and less effective, not to mention more costly. Plus, IT must meet application availability needs within these hybrid environments, all while providing security, meeting recovery objectives, and achieving operational efficiencies. I'm tired and confused just saying it. Simply put, data-centric protection with advanced automation and security is a must-have, not a nice-to-have. To achieve this without going crazy, you need an adaptive architecture that is built to scale across traditional and modern platforms, one with workflow automation and advanced security capabilities that incorporate backup directly into your application lifecycle management. Enter Micro Focus Data Protector. With Micro Focus Data Protector, you can standardize and consolidate backups at scale across different platforms and transparently protect data no matter where it resides in your environment. Now imagine being able to protect your data across legacy and modern workloads, physical, virtual, or cloud, including AWS S3, Azure, Scality, and Ceph. And we're not done yet. With the demands of running a large number of workloads, you need visibility into your backup performance. Micro Focus Data Protector provides this visibility by leveraging deep analytics and insights, allowing you to manage and monitor SLAs more predictably and reliably. With alerts, advanced reporting, and a recommendation framework, meeting your RPOs and RTOs is a breeze. In the event of an application outage, manual interventions and custom scripts will no longer suffice. Intelligent automation within Data Protector provides a simple one-click recovery of applications and data, bringing your businesses back online quickly. As the risk landscape is becoming more complex with cybercrime threats such as ransomware, simply securing the perimeter and detecting and responding to malicious activity is no longer enough. Data Protector provides a proactive, intelligent approach with sophisticated backup security capabilities that prevent the backup application from becoming a vulnerability. Should an attack occur, Data Protector quickly and easily restores your data and uses advanced analytics to identify it. For more information on how Micro Focus Data Protector simplifies backing up your ever-changing hybrid IT environment, visit microfocus.com.